Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a simple and effective way to hide or remove menu items in WordPress. Whether you're cleaning up your navigation or organizing your site for a better user experience, this quick guide will help you get it done with ease. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head to the WordPress homepage. After logging in, find the Quick Links section on your dashboard and click Edit Site. This will bring you into the WordPress site editor, which is where you can customize your website's design and features, including your navigation menus. Once inside the editor, open the navigation settings, and you'll see a list of all the menus available on your site. Select the menu you want to update, then click on it to view its layout options. You'll notice a set of 3 dots indicating additional settings. Click on these and choose Edit to access the detailed editing mode. From here, you can review all the menu items and decide which ones you want to hide or remove. Simply delete any items you no longer need to streamline your site's navigation. When you're done, save your changes to update your live site instantly. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to hide or remove WordPress menu items quickly and easily. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching.